Hello everyone, my name is Greg from Vittoria, based in Bangkok Commercial Office. And today we present to you the Terreno PRO T60 Mixed, which is our newest tire to the range. And so the Terreno PRO T60 Mixed is a gravel tire for mixed terrain. And it's made out of 92% recyclable and renewable materials. And that's a key differentiator of this tire compared to other tires out there in the market. In addition to that, we have used natural materials to replace industry materials to make this tire. For example, we use soybean oil, rice husk silica, natural rubber, organic cotton. So these are all the materials coming together to make this high-end tire. In addition to that, we've worked with suppliers like Sea Waste Tax, who extract fishing nets out of the ocean, recycle them into nylon yarn, and then also to make this part of this tire. And we have fully removed carbon black as an ingredient of tire building. So all these composites together make it 92% recyclable and renewable tire. In addition to that, we don't want to just make a tire fully sustainable without the performance. So we have all the wet grip, the speed, the suppleness that you would expect from a Vittoria high-performance racing tire. For more information about this tire in the future, visit vittoria.com, and thank you very much.